Difference between call by value and call by reference. The first difference between call by value and call by reference is, in case of call by value, the value of the actual parameters are passed to the calling function. In case of call by reference, the address of the actual parameters are passed to the calling function. In case of call by value, the changes made to the formal parameters do not affect the actual parameters. Actual parameters are the parameters which are present in the program. Formal parameters are the parameters which are present in the function. In case of call by reference, the changes made to the formal parameters directly affects the corresponding actual parameters. That means whatever changes we do in the program will change the parameters in the function. Only one value can be returned to the calling function in case of call by value. In case of call by reference, we can transfer more than one value to the calling function. In case of call by value, execution speed is lower as all the values have to be copied to the formal parameters. In case of call by reference, execution speed is faster as addresses are copied. In case of call by value, the data type of the formal parameters should be same as actual parameters. That means the data type of formal parameter which is present in the function and the parameter which is present in the program should be of the same type. In case of call by reference, the data type of formal parameters should be same as actual parameters, but they should be declared as pointers. Next, difference between malloc and calloc. The name malloc stands for memory allocation. The name calloc stands for contiguous allocation. In case of malloc, we require only one argument. In case of calloc, we require two arguments. Syntax for malloc is cast type asterisk mallocs size in bytes. Size in bytes is the number of the arguments, that is 1. In case of calloc, it is cast type asterisk calloc blocks comma size of block. One of the argument is blocks and the second one is size of blocks. So we require two arguments in calloc. Malloc allocates required size of bytes and returns a pointer to the first byte of the allocated space. In case of calloc, allocates space for an array of elements, initialize them to 0 and then returns a pointer to the memory. Here in case of calloc, as you can see, each of the space is being allocated or initialized by 0. Malloc is faster than calloc. Calloc takes little longer than malloc because of the extra step of initializing the allocated memory by 0. That means as we are allocating or initializing the memory contents by 0, calloc takes more space. Malloc initializes the allocated memory with garbage values. Calloc initializes the allocated memory with 0 value. That is the main difference. In case of malloc, garbage values will be allocated. In case of calloc, it will be initialized with the value 0. Thank you.